Hey, it's Terry Bontemps, day 91. Day 91, and guess what? Oh, 97% finished, you guys. 97% finished on the front house. Let me take you through this. I'm gonna give you some depth of how large this property is, okay? So I'm gonna start from the far end. I'm gonna walk all the way back and give you the tour, okay? Straight ahead is the front door, and to the left is going to be the kitchen. I'm going to come back and show that to you. Heck, I can show you this angle while we're here. Right, it sure turned out pretty. Man, I like it. All right, so that's the kitchen to the left, and we're going to take a look at the bedrooms now, okay? First bedroom to the right. Okay. Kind of a look at it. I'm going to go in and just kind of walk around pretty quickly here so you guys can see this. Now, rooms are so hard to show unless you're a professional video person, but there you go. That's one room. Walked in and around. Let's go to the second room. The master bedroom's to the left. And before we go there, let's go to the bathroom. Water closet, as they call it. All right. And it turned out really well. Woo, look at that. Nice and sweet. Okay. Here's the tub area. I love the white walls. Okay, on the tub, the surround, and that blue paint that I painted, that makes it really nice. Yeah, nice oval mirror. Kind of your basic, okay. Vanity, nothing really special, okay. So let's head out of here now. Again, this is a stand-up shower. I'll show it to you one more time, which is separate from the bath. Okay, and then we're gonna head to bedroom number 2, which is pretty much the same size as, boom, okay. As the previous bedroom. What I like about this house, a tremendous amount of windows. Lots of natural light coming in, okay? So now we're at the far end, and we're gonna walk it back. This is from the front house going to the back. I don't know if you guys see that, but guess what I see? That's a U-Haul. The tenant in the back says, okay, we need to get up out of here and move on with our lives. So I'm gonna go from one corner to the other. This is 23 by 25. This room itself. So I'm gonna just kind of give you an overview here so you can see it. Okay. Now I'm gonna go all the way to the end and pan back one more time so you guys can really see. I mean, there's one large window there with the air conditioning that works extremely well in this hot weather we're starting to have in Sacramento. There's a second big window and a third big window. Okay. Turning out really good. So I'll give you one more shot of the kitchen. Bam. All right, you guys. Hey, this is it for the front house. Last video finished, 97%. And next week, a week from now, we're gonna start on that back house, give it the same look in the kitchen, same look in the bathroom. That back house is in a lot better shape. I don't have to do as much extensive work. And again, we got a buyer. Okay, the buyer is ready to go. We're gonna have to extend the escrow because again, I wasn't able to get the tenant out quickly and it took, a little bit of time. 90 days is how long I've been on this project, 91. So, hey, you guys have a good one and we'll see you on the back house, the reno, 1/4 acre, 2 houses on one lot, and there is a middle 256 square foot that could be used as an ADU or set up to be a living facility for a teenager. He shed, she shed, workspace, whatever you can think of. All right, this is Terry Bontemps. Catch you guys later. Bye.